Airbnb. We're the Airbnb bees.
Got the heating on. Making breakfast. Chocolate cake.
What are we doing today?
No, I'm busy. It feels like a winter morning. We've got the heating on, and every time I go out of the room, it's freezing. What are we doing today? Gonna see some kittens. We can't film that, but if we get it, then we'll film it. We've also got to go to the library again. Hooray! We got the cat sitting from yesterday, so that's what we're doing over Christmas. It's gonna be exciting. Really cool place. It's gonna look really cool. You'll see it on the vlog. Tea included. Amazing.
It's not warm out there.
Of course not.
It's cold.
It's the morning. It's freezing.
Ooh.
Lovely flowers in our garden. Blue sky. We might actually get some sun today, because again I'm in shorts. So this is like much better than our house that we had when we had a house. We've got a washing line and an outdoor area.
Yay.
This is like luxury.
Washing.
Washing.
Done.
Clock tower. Looks a bit like Disneyland. This is more like it.
Ah, it's kind of. I'm still wearing a coat.
I'm hot though.
You're not.
I am.
I don't believe you.
No, it's good.
I'm not hot.
I'm going to roll up my sleeves.
Good luck. You'll be rolling them down in 5 seconds.
This vlog is just a library tour of Melbourne. Here we go, library number 2.
We're printing off references for house sitting. We're trying to. Yeah, no worries. This isn't being quiet in a library. Printing. I printed me references. It's all me. There's none for James. James is not good. I'm amazing.
Some of them know me as well.
I'm brilliant.
They've shoehorned me in.
They shoehorned you in. It is my great pleasure and pride that I recommend Sarah.
And James.
House sitting.
We're not
I've known Sarah for over 7 years and James just an add-on. So got my application approved to train with Circus Oz today. Expect circus vlog. It's 11 o'clock. What are we eating?
Gruel.
Lasagna.
Lasagna in bed. We're wearing sun cream. Oh, it's about time. We were going to buy coats yesterday. Now we are going to the metro to get lost.
Get lost on the metro system. I'm wearing my cat shoes again. Because I'm cat mad still.
Ah, now we're off to Lilydale. But no, we're not. We're going to, where is it? Croydon.
We're going to London again.
London. Box Hill on the way. So's Mitcham, Chatham, Canterbury, Surrey Hills.
So weird.
Richmond.
Burnley.
Tourism. We're quite far out now. Things look very different.
Mountain region.
Ooh, sounds fun.
We are now in Croydon. We're going to see some kittens.
Oh.
No, kittens.
Hopefully we'll be kitten sitting.
Hopefully, if they like us. I brought me references and my passport.
I'm Clark Kent. We got the last one.
We got the last one. Clark Kent worked.
Should have brought the scarf.
Oh, it's so cute. Got a pink head. Wildlife.
What we've got here is a bird.
A galore.
See you later. You don't care at all, do you? Well then.
Oh,
Don't usually get that in Croydon. We've just spent all day on the metro. We're looking after kittens though. Woo! Food shopping while looking for reduced items. I love how our vlog in England is so different from our vlog in Australia. I've taken all day
all day.
to go and say, hello, we're normal. Food before food. Strangest things catch you off guard when you're in a different country. Doritos. Ah, chili cheese? It's red!
What? I quite like it, but
No. Chili.
it's quite nice with the cheese and the
Chili.
tomato.
We wanted chili. Livid.
It's all gone. Chris, gone. Yum.
Right, time to make food. I'm gonna try and make everything in this microwave. Chicken in a microwave. I've never made chicken like this before. It's a bit scary. Made a masterpiece. Ketchup. Ketchup. Really useful that we've lived in such a small room before. We know how to do this.
Ah.
Eating it. How was it?
okay.
Surprisingly nice.
Surprisingly tough on the chicken, but at least it was cooked. It wasn't bad for a microwave meal, really.
What the hell was that one about? I have no idea. But hopefully it was fun. Subscribe. Sarah's asleep. Another one tomorrow.